Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. All right, so this test is occupant compartment door fails to open as the minor defect, and then we have any cab or sleeper door fails to close securely as the major defect. So what does that mean? That means that if you can't get the door open either from the outside or the inside, all you have to do is somehow get inside the truck, jump in from the window, and keep driving until the next stop that you can get it fixed. It's a minor defect. But if you cannot hold the door closed, if it doesn't stay closed from either outside or the inside, that's a major defect. You're not allowed to use the truck. So how do we check for that? Just as the question asks, we check from the outside. We make sure that the door opens. We make sure that the door stays closed. And we repeat the same thing from the inside. We make sure that the door stays closed by pushing against the door, and then we open the door to make sure that it opens. And finally, we just take a look at the door. We make sure that the door is not damaged, the locking mechanism, the latch, we make sure that they're not damaged, and the truck is safe and secure. So now let's do it just like on the road test. The examiner will ask, describe and demonstrate occupant compartment door fails to open. And I'm going to demonstrate now. The door opens, secure from the outside. Secure. It opens from the inside. There are no damages around the door. The latch, the lock, no damages. The vehicle is safe. Occupant compartment door fails to open is a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator. We are allowed to drive the truck. Any cab or sleeper door fails to close securely is a major defect. When we have a major defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are not allowed to drive the truck.